Okay, be honest with me. Are you exhausted and just want to chuck it all? And have you dreamed about going to that island somewhere in the Pacific and just getting away from all of the chaos that you're going through? Well, you are not alone. I read some stats today and I was not completely surprised. 47 million people left their jobs over in 2021, and 89% of people are in burnout now. And so 40% of people say that they're having a hard time unplugging, and it is causing all sorts of issues, which is unbelievable: physical fatigue, cognitive weariness, emotional exhaustion, lack of interest and motivation and energy, and lack of effort at work. And so I talked to so many people who are starting to be in transition and just like, oh my gosh, I've been doing this for so long. And they're tired of answering to a boss who may not be as smart as them or as good of a leader as them. They may be aging out of the workforce and want something different. And they dream of a day that they can have it all. And that means that they've got some income and they've got their life and their family is content. And so if that sounds like you, I'd like to talk to you about it, because I've been in a great position to be able to coach people just like that, who are at a level of just working too many hours and like, all right, I'm done. Some of the people are jumping away from their jobs. Some people are resigning. Some people are being let go. It just depends on the organization. So if you're in a place of wanting to be in transition or looking for that next thing or wanting to take a little bit of a break, then I'm talking to you. All right. So the reason why people get to like this is because they have excessive workload. So if you are given too much and they've downsized and you are expected to work ungodly hours, that might be you. That's a big cause of burnout. Lack of control. And as you age and you've had a lot of good bosses and then you get a bad one, you're like, are you kidding me? You're not even that smart. And then lack of support. And so that's the one I want to chat with you about. So what we have that might be able to help answer the call for you is a masterclass. And many of the people that I am coaching currently are in transition and they're looking to go into consulting and coaching and thought leadership. And as the person or one of the people that was a pioneer in the industry of coaching, I owned the second coach training company in the world. And so I've coached hundreds of coaches, thousands of coaches over the years. And I've helped a lot of people go and elevate through to thought leadership through speaking and workshops, seminars, and consulting, writing books, public relations, and basically getting out there in your area of expertise. What does it take? It takes having a real understanding of what is your give back? What is your benefit? How can you help an organization? Is it through finances? Is it through health? Is it through wealth? Is it through happiness? Is it through relationships? Where do you excel and where is your passion? So that's what we dive into. And then we create a platform that will help you experience your greatness on stage and by doing workshops and keynotes and getting your message out. And we put together one thought leadership platform that will help attract business. And so that's the way that a lot of my clients are doing it. I have clients that are getting large scale contracts in leadership coaching, and that's in consulting and training. And there's also sorts of way to put together training today. So if this is an interesting conversation that you'd like to have, touch base with me. I'd love to jump on Zoom, introduce you to some of the people that are in our masterclass that are high achievers, just like yourself, who are in burnout and possibly in transition. All right, you deserve a happy life. Life is short. We all know it. And so I'm here to help. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.